Well, hello. This is Grandma Dolly, and I'd like you to come join my party. Come on, y'all.
It's time for Grandma Dolly. She sure likes to party.
Let's party. Well, hello there, gang. It's Grandma Dolly again, and I just got back from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cook you up something special I learned from my Couzin Mel. This really exciting recipe for meatballs inside of biscuits. She has her own channel, and I'm going to put her video in my description. I can't wait to make these wonderful meatballs, but I'm using all the ingredients from the Dollar Tree. Let's make it now. The Dollar Tree was selling these adorable buttermilk biscuits. I'm going to use these. You just open it and pop it like that. Just push those biscuits right into a muffin tin. Next comes some cream cheese. I'm using this kind, Level Valley cream cheese. Level Valley? That's an oxymoron. Very mysterious. What I'm going to do is grab my cheese and push it inside. Next comes the meatballs. I'll be using Dollar Tree's famous Papa Luigi's meatballs. You just grab your meatball and place it in the cup. Like that, delicate. Did someone say pizza sauce? They have that at the Dollar Tree too. Not in Italy. The Dollar Tree. Take a scoop of that sauce and place it on top of each beautiful ball. Cheese, please. And yes, I got it from the Dollar Tree. I'm using my favorite Italian-style shreds. And then look what I found from the Greek aisles. Feta cheese that I'm going to put on top of my meatballs. And now I just bake them for about 12 to 15 minutes. I want to watch my biscuits rise and get golden brown. These balls sure are looking cozy in there. I'm ready to pop them into my mouth. They sure look like a special treat. Let's give it a taste. I like these meatballs. Thank you so much, Papa Luigi, for these gorgeous treats. Thank you, Mel, for this wonderful suggestion. I'm always happy having you join me at my Dollar Tree party. See you next time.
Oh, we love that Dolly. She sure loves to party.
Let's party.